Hey, this is Dave with Taboo Customs. The video today, we are going to be working on our WOJ, which is our Grand Cherokee WJ that we purchased for under $1,000. WOJ because, well, we've got a lot of woes with it, a lot of issues that need fixed, so we're working through that. Today's a fairly simple one. Today, actually, we're going to be swapping out the hood props to help us keep the hood up, mainly because it's an annoyance, and these aren't very expensive. Now, if you're looking for some hood props, we will put the link to these specifically in this video, and it'll be up here at the top of your screen, so you can go and purchase these if you want. But let's go ahead and take a look at the issue we've got. All right, so this is a pretty easy issue to diagnose. If you put your hood up and it doesn't stay up, you need new hood props. You'll also need a stick of wood for this or something to hold your hood up while we do it. It's really not going to be too difficult. We'll show you, the process is the same on both. We're going to show you over here on this one. So let's go ahead and get over there and get to work. Now, to do this, really it's pretty simple. You just need 2 flat screwdrivers. Do recommend that one is pretty small. You're going to see there's a metal piece that goes around these that retains this onto the ball. We actually just need to pry that metal piece off. A lot of times these will slide off the end if you can get under them. So you just need to kind of get under it, slide it towards the rear. You usually pry on the sides then, and just basically pull that piece off the end. We'll go ahead and leave it up there for now. Go down here to the bottom one. Knock off the radiator overflow bottle cap because it doesn't stay on apparently. So the good news on taking them off is you don't need to be real nice to that clip. So once you get it, the 2 clips off, just pop this loose. That one there came loose pretty easily, and now it's off. Here you can kind of see the little slots those things slide into and out of. Now, before installing this, we're going to do a little bit of prep. So you've got the same little metal piece that's covering those. We're going to slide that towards the end. We do also recommend wearing gloves with this, or at least me wearing gloves. I tend to stab myself with small screwdrivers. Not a whole lot of fun. So you might have to pry up a little bit on that to get it going. And once you do, you can push it down to the end. Wouldn't recommend pushing it all the way off. Basically just want it hanging on there. Try to make sure you don't lose it when you're doing the other side. Okay. Now one thing on these is this end here screws on so you can turn it to get different locations. We're going to screw it all the way down. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put the bottom on first, and then just slide that clip up back where it was. And now it's locked in. Then you can kind of spin that around. May have to lift the hood back up. Slide the clip here back down. There you go. Pretty simple. Probably one of the easier fixes you can do on your WOJ. Now the real test is, can we get rid of the stick? Looks like we can. Looks like they work pretty well. So anyway, like I said, one of the easier jobs you can do on your Jeep, one of the things that maybe will annoy you a little bit less about your Jeep. So there is a link in the description to these specific hood struts, so if you are looking for those, you can check those out there. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them here on the video, or you can contact us on our website, taboocustoms.com. We'll have a link up here as well, and a link in the description. So thank you for watching. As always, a like or subscribe is greatly appreciated.